Hello, in this video we will learn how we can enable a password on an Excel file that it will be password protected. Let's see. I have this sample data, okay, and I will show you how can I enable a password on it. Go to File, Save As, browse the location where you want to save the file. So this window is open where you can type the name of the file. Let's say this I will change the name WhatsApp link password. Okay, and then near this save button this tool option is there. Click, and there is another option, journal options. Click this small window will appear. In this window, there are two options. For password options are there: password to open, password to modify. So you can implement two type of passwords. One password will be only to modify, means everybody can see open and see the file but cannot modify. And other that without password you cannot open the file. So let's say I will enable password to open the file. Password to open, I will enter a password. Okay, and then again it will ask to re-enter the password. Okay, press save. Now this file is saved with password. I'll close it and we'll go to the folder where this file is saved. Look, this is the file. Click to open. So now Excel is asking to enter the password. It is password protected. I will enter the password and then file will open.